Yes, good afternoon, students. Welcome to the revision of lesson 1. Yes, beta, as you are knowing very well that on from 15th May, after 15th May, our exams are going to be started. So, for that, we have divide our syllabus according to that and be regular in revision, then you will face no problem in your exams. But beta, you have to sit for 1 hour, for half an hour daily and start revision as we are guiding you. Yes, beta, in revision 1, lesson 1, we will divide each lesson into 3 days. For example, 1 May, 2 May, 3 May. On 1 May, we will read the lesson carefully again and we will complete exercise. Okay, keywords we will learn and 1 mark question answer we will learn. On 2nd May, we will learn short question answers, 2 mark, 3 mark question answers we will learn. And on 3rd May, Sunday that is, then on 4th May, we will learn 5 mark question answers. In this way, you will not face any problem in completing your revision of lesson 1. Be regular. So today I will tell you main keywords, main uh, description of lesson 1. As we have already learnt each and everything, so today we are going to only revise how you have to learn this chapter. Beta, this chapter nutrition, first of all you have to learn what is nutrition. Beta, देखो living things as we are there, we daily take food and this food we eat that is in the complex form, and that complex form of food needs to be broken down into the simpler form, and then beta it is absorbed by our body, then it is utilized by our body for getting energy, means we get energy from the food. So what do you mean by nutrition? The process by which living organisms take in food and utilize it to carry out different life process is called nutrition. What do you mean by nutrition? The process by which living organisms take in food and utilize it to carry out different life process is called nutrition. Now, how many kinds of nutrition are there? Two kinds are there. Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Auto means self. It means in autotrophic nutrition, what do you mean by autotrophic nutrition? The mode of nutrition in which organisms make their own food using simpler substances is called autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self. Trophs means nutrition. It means organisms make their own food. Make their own food. When they make their own food, they need some materials. And these materials they take from the surroundings. For example, plants. What are plants? Plants make their own food. So plants are autotrophs. And how plants make their food. This we will study in detail. How plants make their food? By the process of photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means putting together. Putting together. The process in which green plants convert water and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Photo means light, or synthesis means putting together. Putting together means carbon dioxide. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the environment. Plants take water from the soil. Then plants are green in color. Leaves are green in color. in the leaves chlorophyll is present that is used to trap sunlight. Chlorophyll क्या करता है बेटा? Trap sunlight. तो how now plants have chlorophyll also, water also, air, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Now in the presence of sunlight, plants make food. What food they prepare? They prepare glucose. And which gas is released by the plants? Oxygen. So now you have to compile all these points in the definition. The process by which green plants convert water and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. If sunlight is not there, then plants can't make their food. So plants need sunlight and chlorophyll. Only in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll plants can make their own food. This all is on page number 12. Now page number 13. On page number 13 of lesson 1, requirements. What are the requirements needed by the plants to make food? First requirement is water. Plants absorb, roots absorb water from the soil with the help of roots here. Now water and minerals are absorbed by the roots. Roots give to the stem through the xylem, and from the stem leaves. In this way water transport take place in the plants. Now chlorophyll, as you know very well, chlorophyll is a green color pigment. Where it is present? It is present in the leaves in the tiny structures. Where it is present? In the tiny structures. Chlorophyll is present in tiny structures called chloroplast. Okay, now sunlight. Third requirement is sunlight. Chlorophyll captures solar energy from sunlight so that it can be used in photosynthesis. So who carries chlorophyll? Chlorophyll capture sunlight, solar energy from the sunlight. This solar energy is used to make the food. And carbon dioxide beta. On the leaf, green plants take in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny pores called stomata. Stomata are present mostly on lower surface of the leaves. Where stomata are present? On the lower surface of the leaves. Pay attention beta. On the stomata are present only on the lower surface of the leaves. Now you will say, what are stomata? Beta, stomata are very small pores which are guarded by the guard cells. Each stoma means singular form of stomata, is surrounded by two bean-shaped cells called guard cells. These guard cells beta control the opening and closing of stomata. Okay, now the process of photosynthesis, how plants make their food. Now during photosynthesis what happen? Chlorophyll absorbs solar energy. Now carbon dioxide and water unite together means synthesize together. As you have studied, synthesis means putting together, to combine together to form glucose. Glucose is a simple carbohydrate that is used by the plant as food. Now beta, which gas is released during photosynthesis? Oxygen is released into the air through the stomata. Now you have to, here I have written photosynthesis. Below photosynthesis define we have done. Then word equation, then requirement. Requirement we have done. Now word equation. Word equation, carbon dioxide plus water gives glucose plus oxygen. Again repeat word equation. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives glucose and oxygen. So in this way this is the equation. Now excess beta, there is some excess glucose present in the plant that is converted into starch. Now this starch is stored in the different parts of the plant such as leaves, roots and stem. This food is transported to other parts of the plant through tube-like structure called phloem. In this way we have done this page number 13 also. Now page number 12, page number 13 we have studied. Tomorrow we will study next. This is exercise. You have to do exercise also. We have already sent. Again I am sending today in the PDF form. Those who have not done, again start doing, completing, so that we may note problem in the coming exam. These are the question answer which we will learn in 3 days. First day only exercise, then second day we will do this, and third day we will do this. That's all from my side. Thank you beta. Start revising. Okay.